None of us have safety for eye protection.
I don't. Oh, we get hit in the
Alright.
face.
3, 2, 1. I love it. CD, yeah. That was. I love it.
I had pieces fly by my face.
I love it. Look at the microwave, and it was on top. It wasn't even inside of it.
The big question is, where's the phone? Oh, nope.
Gone. I don't know. I like how it was on top of the microwave. I love it.
Where does the phone go?
Oh.
Oh, one piece. Found.
We're touching. We have fully begun touching.
Each other.
That's
So this is definitely a memento for you, right there.
No way. Heck yes.
I don't,
Totally destroyed the.
I'm not too sure where the rest of the phone is. Dude, that shit is wow.
That was awesome. Now I'm regretting not buying that.
The $100 for 20.
How much was it?
It was 20 of those for $100.
Fuck.
It's worth it though.
Yeah, it was.
Already fuck your face.